You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature.
Hello and welcome to Lucky Mini Food.
And thanks for stopping by the miniature kitchen today.
Yes, today we are making Chicago-style hot dogs.
Ooh, that sounds good. One small problem I noticed.
Yeah.
Where's the hot dogs?
I thought you grabbed them.
No, I thought you grabbed them.
Oh, well, let me go get them. Can't believe I forgot the hot dogs. Oh, and the buns. Take two. Hello and welcome to Lucky Mini Food.
And thanks for stopping by the miniature kitchen today.
Yes, today we are making Chicago-style hot dogs.
Ooh, yes, see?
We
Hot
have
dogs.
hot dogs this time.
All right. Now, Chicago style is a hot dog that usually has these ingredients.
Yes.
Onion,
Okay,
tomato, mustard,
check.
neon relish,
Okay,
pickle,
okay,
sport pepper,
sure.
and then celery salt.
Yep.
All right, so first things first, let's head over to the stove, or how about you just turn that on? We'll get the water boiling.
Okay, while we're waiting for the water to boil, I'm going to get the hot dogs ready. And I'll start chopping up the onions and tomatoes. As you heard, the water's boiling. And it's ready for the hot dogs. Okay, now I'm going to start chopping up the tomato. The hot dogs look almost done. So let me get the buns ready. Alright, let's let these heat up and we'll head over to the tasting table.
This looks really good.
Yep, the buns are all done and
Ooh.
toasty.
Nice hot buns.
Let's see, we'll give one to everyone.
Okay, let's see. I'll grab them here.
Okay.
Ooh, nice and soft and toasty. Okay. Yep, you got it?
Mm-hmm.
All right, I'll get the hot dogs, the buns open. Here's your tongs, by the way.
When you're ready.
Go ahead, number one.
Okay, here they are.
Okay, there's our guests. And number two. Okay.
Looks good.
Can you reach number three? Or here, I'll just open it up for you. All right, so let's see our guests. What do you think our guests would like?
Let's see, we'll start out, how about with some mustard?
Mustard, all right. Here, you go do your hot dog.
Okay.
And the guest. Hit the guest first. So we'll give him some mustard. And we'll give him a little bit of onion.
Okay. I do like onion on my hot dog.
Yeah, so do I. So I'm going to have it today.
Do you want mustard, right?
Oh, yes. Definitely. That's good. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay, what else do you think everybody's going to want? You want onions, you said?
Yes.
Well, you're getting them now.
Let's see. Pickles.
Okay, a pickle.
I love pickles.
Are you a fan of the relish?
Yes, relish too.
This is the fluorescent green Chicago style relish, if anybody's wondering. And as you can tell, it's bright. You can pack a tomato in mine.
Okay.
We're just going to give the guest exactly what we're eating.
I'll give you a few slices.
Looks good. Okay, I'll let you do your own relish. And what's rest? Oh,
Oh yeah, you
celery,
can't forget
salt,
the
and
celery
sport
salt.
peppers. Are you a fan of sport peppers here? We'll leave off the sport peppers for our guests. Maybe they're not used to a sport pepper.
I sometimes, but maybe not this time.
Okay. And then we'll put a little bit of the celery salt, which is really the topper of flavor.
Oh yeah.
Let me get this person here. Ooh, do you think they're going to enjoy that? Here you go, sweetie. I think we got it all. I'm going to hold up mine so they can see what it looks like up close.
Yum.
The perfect mini hot dog. Look at that. All right, here we go. And a toast to our first hot dog together
Oh,
in
toast.
the mini kitchen. Yeah, here we go. Ting! Bite. Perfect.
That
Nice warm bun?
tastes- Exactly.
Like a real
Yeah,
mini Chicago hot dog.
that's perfect.
Oh, you're going in for seconds.
Oh yeah.
Well, maybe I will too if you're going to do that. It's basically a 2-bite hot dog. I saved just a little so everybody can see. That was really good. Good idea, by the way.
Yeah. You can never go wrong with a hot dog.
That's for sure. All right, so overall, ooh, my sport pepper was hot. Ooh, I need something to drink. Mine was really hot.
Should've
Did you
got
have a
some.
hot one?
I didn't get one.
Oh, you didn't put one on? You're lucky.
No, I didn't want to risk it this time.
So let's see what we come up with next time. But overall,
Okay.
I think things are going really good in the mini kitchen.
Yeah.
We need more subscribers, though. If everybody out there, if at least one person out there tells 10 people or asks politely, can you please subscribe to Lucky Mini Food? That would help us out a lot. And we do appreciate everybody that's supporting us and leaving us comments.
And until we see you next time,
Happy eating! If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS Dave,
What's up, Butch?
make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.